Hey guys, I'm a sucker for a good story. I'm a sucker for a good story. So here we are. So nothing to say that this was a bad product. No, I wouldn't say that at all. It did a fine job for a long time. Fluid Master, I don't know. I think they probably changed this out. There's this guy that came to help us with plumbing and stuff at our house, Adrian. Anyway, I'm not sure that he'd ever watch this channel, but if he did a good job. He installed this thing, I think, and Fluid Master is a good company. But eventually what happened is, which will happen to a lot of you guys, is the valve in here started malfunctioning or something. There's a little pin in here that's, when this goes up, it kind of like stops the air from going through. So it just kept on hissing and hissing and hissing until I just couldn't deal with it anymore. And
Likey